everyone. Today I am playing Start a Survey, one of the greatest games. Be sure to turn your volume. Okay. Fine. I will do it. Now this thing's taking a while. I know tons of YouTubers played this before, but doing it myself. Start survey. Yes, I love to. Are you having a nice day? Yes, I'm totally having a nice day. Oh, do you have any response? Are you talking RL or yeah? Look around for a moment. What the fuck? Hello? Twin? Is that you? Okay. Are you familiar with your surroundings? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know who the... Oh, what the fuck? Yes! Because of that shit. Have you ever felt like there was somebody in your room? Speaking of somebody in my room, yes. Right there. Right there, that is a doppelganger. Yes. Ooh. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? Maybe? I'm gonna just go for yes. Do you believe there is a God? I know that is a personal question. Sure. I don't want to be rude, but are you scared of the darkness? No. Are you answering these questions out of free will? No. I got it from Walmart. Are you certain? Yes. You sure these answers really reflect you? Yes. We are afraid you might change. What do you mean? We don't know if this is for your better. Huh? We will let you continue now. Okay. Okay. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real it was hard to distinguish it from reality? Yes, actually. Yes. A few times now. Do you have any phobias? Yes, I do. What the fuck did I click? Do you feel comfortable in your room? Totally! Totally with that thing in my bed. That is me. Yes. Is there something that's gonna happen? If the lights went out, would you be scared? No. What the fuck? Yes. Oh, fuck no. Close that door. Larry, it's not tickle time. Have you cleaned off your desk? Well, no. I'm scared. Open the folder on your desk. How the fuck do you know I had a folder? Internet? Yes. Do you have any? Yes, actually, tons of them. Are you playing on a computer? Yeah. More like a laptop. Do you think often about well, yes, actually, not a lot though. I'm not that. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Bitch, I don't know. No. Are you I think so! weren't alone. Did you check your... Yeah? Yes, I checked my room. Do you believe we are living in a simulation? This is not The Sims, when The Sims realize they're in a simulation. No. I'm being honest with you. Do you accept being watched while answering our questions? Fuck no. Get your eyes away from me. You ever feel like you want to do something bad even though you know it's wrong? Yes, that's a few times. If you screamed, would anybody... Well, that's more of a depend. Like, it depends on where I am. Probably. Are you scared of gunshots? No, actually. Do you know the person standing behind you? If I turned around and that motherfucking doppelganger on my bed is behind me. Okay. What the fuck was that? No! I answered this before. I am not alone. Relax. Take some time. Fuck you. You're the fucking thing that did that. How am I gonna relax? Are you? No! No, I'm not. Are your feelings real and not just programmed like a machine? Yes. My feelings are real. I fucking just panicked. Did you cry today? No. Have you seen the person standing outside your window? No. No. Is there a meaning to life? I don't fucking know. Yet, I don't know what the fuck I clicked. I think I clicked yes. Have you ever felt like someone was watching you in your own home? Fuck you. No. Do you know who you are yet? A Mexican. Hola, comunita. No, that was terrible. Do you know what is happening? No. No, I totally don't. Have you ever heard strange or unexplainable noises in your house at night? Are you talking real life or... Yes. Have you ever experienced sleep paralysis? No, actually. If you were told the truth about your existence, would you deny it in hopes for a better answer? No. If I was told about my actual existence, I'll be like, yes, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What will people think about you when they see what you have done? I don't know. When I ask you questions, is it really you answering? Probably not. But like, if someone asks for my if they told me the truth about my existence, I would not give two shits. You do you that you're not Simpson? What? Fuck that. Would you be shocked? No. I would not be surprised if I was an AI. Do you want to know the truth? Yes, I would love to know the truth. Look out your window. Looking out my window. Look around you. This room, the door, the computer, the house next door. Did you just become Dr. Seuss within a minute? None of it is real. I made this world. I made you. No, the fuck did you not? Oh. I've been trying to help you see it for what it is, and now I've finally done it. What the fuck? Oh, I can finally set you free. Oh my god, you're setting me free! I'm getting set free in the afterworld! Oh! Fuck you! Well, there's a start survey too. Oh shit. What, Nova? What? Well, I'ma just end it here. I know it was short, but that's all I got. Wait, no, I could probably do this one. Yeah, I'm gonna play single player, actually. Alright, hold on. My dog wants out of my room. Alright. What is this? What the fuck? Hello, it's silly. Welcome to my school. Please come to my class upstairs. Oh, this is cute. Oh, you got a couple. A random girl. Follow the path I provided to find my class. Okay. Okay. This is actually happy core. Ah, and I feel like something's gonna bad happen when I say that. This is like just like one of those regular high schools you've seen. With those fuck-ass lockers. Another couple there. Another couple there. Man, it's everywhere. So I guess I'm playing Start the Survey 1 and 2, which I already did 1, 2. I was actually disturbed, but restrooms for when you need to take a shit. Please open the door and take a seat at a computer to start the survey. Okay. Oh, what? It's not the E to open the door? I'm gonna leave that open. I'm gonna just leave that. Actually, well, no. What if something's inside? I'm gonna. You know what? I'm actually gonna take a seat back here. This looks nice. I prefer the seat. It's F to sit there. Fuck that. Whoa! Oh! Oh, it's like... Okay, I see the physics going on here. I wish I had water with me, by the way. Okay. Oh! Hey! Hey, why is that showing that? Okay. That's actually cool, though. That's sick. That's sick. Okay. Well, I guess I'm not ending the video. Whoa! Yo, they got a Roblox player! Let's take a survey. Please open the survey app from your... Wait, I need to see the... Can I click all the other shit? Yo, they got a Google Doc, too! Oh, that's cool, actually. I like that. Start survey? Yes. To accommodate you with the survey, we'll provide example questions for you to answer. Yes, ma'am! I don't trust this! Oh my god, you're fucking slow. Do you like to read books? I used to, but not anymore. That shit wastes my time. Do you enjoy watching movies? Yes, actually. Horror movies, to be specific. And drama shows. Not drama shows, but drama movies. Yes, I have a pet. I have 2 here and 3 at my mom's. Are you having a nice day? Totally! Totally after the first one. Good! I don't want to say it. You seem to have gotten the hang of it. No fucking shit. You're answering fucking questions. Let's discover more things about you. Okay. Let me guess. I'm a fucking AI too. So. Are you over 13 years old? I'm 13, but like not over. No. I am 13, just like not over. Is your name It's Silly? Yes, no fucking shit. No fucking shit. Are you playing on a computer? Yes, I'm playing on a computer. It's like the same fucking one. I think we have gathered enough information about you, so we can start now. That's it? Fucking lame. And it's very slow at erasing like half of the fucking shit. Have you ever been late to a class? Multiple times before, actually. 6th grade was one of my worst times. That's fine. It's normal to be sometimes late. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Now if I'm getting lunch attention, I don't get lunch detentions for those, but like, have you ever forgotten to do your homework? All the time, man. All the fucking time. No, well, not all the time, but like, I forget. Did your teacher get mad at you? Which teacher? Mr. O? Miss Roberts? Well, if Miss Roberts, she's most likely gonna get mad with her fucking old Marianne looking ass. Have you ever cheated on a test? No. I would have gotten my ass kicked, flipped, sat on that. Fuck. I forgot what I was gonna say. But, good. Are you planning to attend university after high school? I'm not even in high school. But, sorta. But I'm gonna just go for yes, because they don't got the fucking sorta option. That's really good. Is this finally a normal one, or did I jinx that? Have you ever gotten lost trying to find a classroom? Ha! Several times, dude. It's always the new schedules that fuck me up, too. So that's the thing. Have you ever been embarrassed to present a presentation? No, actually. I'm afraid to do public speaking. That's what I did at a pre-collegiate college. Have you ever skipped a class without permission? No. I never. Unless I'm getting pulled in account. Well, that's not skipping. But, oh. Have you ever had detention? Nope. I'm a good student in my school, man. I don't get lunch detentions. Have you ever gotten into a fight with someone? Physical or verbal? No. Oh! What was that? I don't fucking know. I think that's Ratricia. Did you hear that? Yes, I did. I don't know why you heard it. Are you human? You should check what happened. I heard a scream in the restroom. The restroom is on the left after you leave the class. Why are you making me do it? Go to the I don't want to know what happened in the restroom. I would have been like, you know what? Fuck that bitch. Just leave her to die or something. Well, I mean, she already probably died. Wait, it's a female scream, and yet it's in a male bathroom? Are you having some romance in there or some shit? I'm scared. Oh! Okay. The fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Please come back to your computer. Fuck that shit. Fuck that. I'm gonna go. I think a girl accidentally flushed the wrong thing and flushed herself instead. Okay, I should probably close the door this time. And it's not gonna lock, of course, so I can't swear on that. Okay. Okay. Well, rest in peace, Patricia! And there we go. Okay, yeah. Take your time. Did you check the restroom? Of course I did. And I got fucking jump scared with a fucking highlighter effect. Did you feel like you were being watched while going to the restroom? I hope it ain't Larry, but yes, I felt like that. Totally. Have you ever heard footsteps when no one was around? Yeah, actually. Not multiple times, but like a few times. Have you ever heard strange noises in an empty hallway? Oh, I did not mean to click that. Well, too late. I answered yes. Have you ever seen something unusual in a school bathroom mirror? People wrote in a fucking school mirror, Poop with friends or poop alone. Your choice, but poop good. Like, what the fuck? Do you have any phobias? Of course I do. I mean, some, but I don't have a lot. Something doesn't feel right. You are in danger. Everyone has left, and you should too. Then what is the point? Then I should have not taken the survey then. I should go home. Are you from... Yes. Last time I visited Washington, I was impressed. It was beautiful, and I might visit it again. You're a fucking AI. How the or unless you're a human behind it that was alive and then died. We're almost done. I'll let you go home soon. You better let me home, bitch. I don't want to be here any longer. Are you alone? No, not this again. Not this again. No, I am not alone. What makes you so certain you are alone? I don't fucking know. Do you hear the... Yeah. Don't worry. As long as you keep your eyes on the screen, he won't do anything. So you know what's going on. So you know damn well what the hell's happening. Have you thought that you're being watched from behind right now? If I hear fucking breathing, you know damn well I'm being watched. You know damn well I'm being watched. He seems to be gone for now, so let's continue. You said we're gonna be done and then you're gonna fucking send me home. Ugh, do you feel safe? No, not anymore. Not anymore. Have you checked if the to your room is still locked? You mean real life? Real life, my door is not. I'm gonna just say yes. Oh, you better not be referring to my real life. Even if you lock it, I'll find a way into your room. No, the fuck you will not. No, bitch. I have a baseball bat in here, and I'll fucking swing you like a... It seems that he broke the lights. You have to get out of this school. How? You're the one that's keeping me in here. You're the one that's fucking keeping me in here, you fucking dumb bitch. Please go follow the exit signs and be careful. This is not a safe place anymore. No fucking shit. You're the one that fucking kept me in. One person died. For some reason, a female screamed, but died in a fucking male restroom. Oh, fuck this. I should have never closed that door. Oh, fuck this shit. What do I do? What did I die from? What the fuck did I die from? What the Well, everyone, that is it. And, but everyone, that is it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. I definitely did not fucking enjoy. So, I don't know what to say. I'm still shaking up. But, y'all have a good day. It's Silly, out.